Hello everyone, you're on the Handmade channel and this is a small model of the Volga 24 in Hot Wheels scale. I made it entirely out of modeling clay. For such a small scale, the model turned out to be very detailed. There's underbody detailing as well as an interior, engine and trunk. Even though it wasn't easy to work at this scale, it still turned out pretty well. The only thing is, the roof didn't turn out very accurate because of the small scale. It's not very convenient to work with such thin modeling clay at this scale. You can clearly compare the handmade Volga with a Hot Wheels car, the Mazda RX-7. The hood can open as well as the trunk and all the doors, but first I'll show you the engine. I sculpted it based on these photos. It turned out to be pretty similar. And in the trunk, there's an air suspension system installed as well as a subwoofer, editor. And here they are, the small opening doors. I decided to make the interior a light color so it would be easier to see. To make such a small Volga, I thought it would be easier to carve it out of a small block of modeling clay. But while I was carving out this shape, I realized that this wasn't the way to go, and that I needed to build the car part by part, just like I do with cars in 1:24 scale. I rolled out very thin sheets of modeling clay and started cutting out fragments of the car from them according to the blueprints, then joined the parts together. The sculpting process turned out to be the same as what I usually do, even with larger cars. First, I make the bottom, outlining it. Then I sculpt the body parts and attach them to the bottom. Next, I make the interior, the rear and front parts, and the roof but without the frame, since it's not needed at this scale. And this is how it turned out. I tried working at this scale and it turned out really cool. Looking at the car from a distance, you might think it's a Hot Wheels. Although it's too detailed for a Hot Wheels, I liked how it turned out in the end. And I would make something else at this small scale. By the way, it takes much less time. It took me 28 hours over 4 days to make the Volga. That's about 3 times faster than I usually do. And probably your main question is, what will happen to this little car? Do a crash test? No, it will stay in the collection. And doing a crash test at this scale is pointless. Nothing will really bend properly because of the thick modeling clay, and I also glued many parts together with super glue. So it's pretty sturdy. And now I'll show you photos of the sculpting process of this little Volga. If you liked how I made the Volga, give it a like if you want me to keep making these little cars out of modeling clay. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye, everyone.